Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slides. This is Armando starting off our new weekend and a new session. We're in front of Jim and Jules. There's the jackpots. We're on $1 denom. We got 69 and some pocket change in the machine. And so let's go ahead and try to hit it big for AAZ Slides. Okay, Jim and Jules, get you and your girlfriends out there. We're going to go ahead too and warm it up. Hopefully you guys can see the bingo card. Come on now. I got a little glare and I can't do much with it. There we go. We got a letter Y and we got 20 credits on that one. Our main goal is to go ahead and try to see if we could double up, get a couple red spins, and see if Jim and Jules and her sisters and cousins can come together all in one line and be nice to AAZ Slots. All right, come on now. Oh.
Oh, you guys be careful. Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Come on now. Oh, see, where's the other one at?
I'll take that.
It's sevens along the line now. Here we go. We got an open diamond. Go ahead and hit max then. Let's see how this works. Come on, Jim and Jules. Be nice. Seven's popping out. Go back down to 2. Yeah, open diamond. Ah. Let's see, with two and three seems not to be hitting too well on this baby. Ah. Come on now. Oh, that would have been real good. That would have been about would have been, what is it, 4,800, 480 credits. There we go. We got a small diamond. Let that machine start humming. Oh, come on, sisters, get together. Well, let's hit max all the way down. We got 12 to go down there. As usual, change on there. Come on. Machines are humming. Come on there, Jimmy Jules. Five more. Come on, we got open diamond. Three more. Oh my God, last two. And last one. Well, Jim and Jules, you were not too good to double AZ slots, but I tell you what, I'll see you on the next one. For those of you that enjoyed this session, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And for those of you that have yet to subscribe to Double AZ Slots, hit the subscribe button. And we have a lot more sessions on its way. Come join our Double AZ Slot family. This is Armando, and as always, be safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.